Gikundi kia Aikari itura ria Lokwarang Kaleso kaunti ya Turkana ni mamũkĩrĩte ũteithio wa irio iria iheanĩtwo nĩ gikundi kia ũigithia kia Elimu Sacco. Kale Bugigera ni mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rũrũ mwena wa Lodwa niwe ũtongoretie mĩhang'o ĩno akiuga atĩ itura rĩrĩ nĩ rĩmwe rĩa marĩa maragomeirwo nĩ ng'aragu iria irakoretwo kuo kwa kahinda. Aikari ni makeneire ũteithio na kũria andũ a wendi mwega gũikara makĩmaririkanaga hĩndĩ ĩno marĩ na moritũ.
This is the first CSR major activity that we are carrying out very strongly, and we are going to roll it out to other branches and also to the Turkana County government. We are going to be, we want to make it to be an annual event. In any case, there is a drought situation in the county. We respond by also giving back to the community. We identified a place, this place which is called Kerio, Kwamũkĩra village. And the analysis on the ground, actually the place is very dry. There's nothing in this place. There's no food on the ground. And also people are going hungry as we have seen on the ground.
Hata watoto wale wamefunga shule wako na njaa saa hizi. Tunakaa bure tu. Sasa tunataka hiyo tunafurahi kwa hiyo chakula yenye wamepatia Elimu Sacco waniletee sisi Lokwarang Kaleso.